Welcome back to our tech channel. Today we are excited to bring you the iQOO Z9x, a smartphone that's been turning heads since its release. With its powerful features and sleek design, the iQOO Z9x is a device that promises to elevate your mobile experience. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. The iQOO Z9x sports a 672-inch itself display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits, ensuring a smooth and vivid visual experience. At the heart of the iQOO Z9x is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 601 chipset. Built on a 4N process, this chips, combined with later 8GB or 12GB of RAM, offers robust performance for gaming and multitasking. The phone comes with 128GB or 256GB of storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the dual camera setup on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The 8-megapixel front camera ensures that your selfies are captured with clarity and detail. The iQOO Z9x also boasts a 6000 mAh battery with 44-watt wide charging, giving you the power to stay connected throughout the day without frequent charging breaks. Available in black, white, and light green, the iQOO Z9x offers a color option to match every style. And with the price of about 999 Indian rupees, it's positioned as an affordable yet powerful device in the smartphone market. So if you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, style, and value, the iQOO Z9x might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy, and we will see you in the next video.